In today's video, let's talk about how to use AngelList for talent search. If you are a startup and have been listed inside of AngelList Talent, or now known as WellFound, in order for you to search new people or talents, you just need to head over to the Find Talent section. And in this list, you can see all of the people that you can take a look at and as well as chat to. There are basically two sections divided: the active and the passive section. Active meaning people who regularly use this platform, and passive not so much. You can also make new searches, meaning adding in new job titles by clicking on the new search option on the top left, add in the job title, and then click on create search. As I said, you can go through this list and take a look at all of the people that are inside of one of these lists. You can also add in further filters on the right hand side, such as location, skills, experience, and a few other details. So if you're trying to find the right person quickly, make sure you fill in all of these criterias or filters so that the right people start to show up. Through this section, you can click on the request to chat option and you can directly chat with these people before you recruit them. So by using this exact process, you'll be able to find talent inside of WellFound, or previously known as AngelList Talent. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.